Best Car Collision Attorneys Los Angeles, California. Fees and Reviews. Are you in need of an experienced car collision attorney in Los Angeles, California? Look no further. In this video, we'll give you an in-depth look at the best car collision attorneys in the area and what you need to know about their fees and reviews. With the bustling traffic and busy roads of Los Angeles, car collisions are an unfortunately common occurrence. If you've been involved in a car accident, it's important to have the right legal representation on your side. Here, we'll introduce you to the top car collision attorneys in Los Angeles, California, who have years of experience and a proven track record of success. First car collision attorney. Our first recommendation is attorneys Blair and Ramirez LLP. With over 20 years of experience, Mr. Blair has a deep understanding of the legal system and a passion for helping his clients get the compensation they deserve. Second car collision attorney. Now, we have attorneys Glotzer and Lieb LLP. With their extensive knowledge and personalized approach, Glotzer and Lieb have earned a reputation as one of the best car collision attorneys in Los Angeles. Third car collision attorney. Finally, we have attorney Quirk Accident and Injury Attorneys, APC. They have a wealth of experience in the field and a strong commitment to fighting for the rights of their clients. These top car collision attorneys in Los Angeles are dedicated to helping their clients through every step of the legal process, from filing a claim to negotiating a settlement. When it comes to fees, it's important to understand that many car collision attorneys work on a contingency basis. This means that they only get paid if you receive a settlement or award. And what about reviews? The best way to get an idea of an attorney's reputation and track record is to read online reviews from past clients. You can also check the attorney's website for testimonials and case results. We hope this video has helped you find the best car collision attorney in Los Angeles, California. Don't wait, reach out to one of these top attorneys today to get the compensation and justice you deserve. Best Car Collision Attorneys Los Angeles, California. Fees and Reviews.